YouTube, Random with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking. Welcome back in. Today we're going to be making one of my new favorite meals or light meal options, and we're making chopped salmon salad, or an Italian chopped salmon salad. Now it's similar to any other chopped salad that you've seen. However, we're using salmon. Today I'm using smoked salmon. I have some leftover smoked salmon, but you can use salmon that you've baked, that you've seared, or that you've even put in the air fryer. That's what makes this recipe so good, because typically you're using the leftover salmon from the other day. You can eat this salad with the salmon warm or cold. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is a really quick and easy recipe, and it tastes so good. So let's show you what it takes. All right, so all you're gonna need, I have about 3 cups of salad mix. So I have some spring mix and some regular iceberg mix. I have 8 ounces of salmon here that I smoked, but you can use whatever kind of cooked salmon that you want. Then I have banana peppers, red bell pepper, red onion, and olives. You can kind of use whatever you like in your salad for this as well. All right, so the first thing all you need to do is to start chopping down your salad mix. Again, I have about 1.5 cups of spring mix and 1.5 cups of iceberg lettuce salad mix here. And I'm just going to start chopping it down to a more manageable size. We're also going to be using some Italian dressing in this and some jalapeno at the end. All right, once we've got our salad mix chopped down to a more manageable size, we're going to go ahead and add in all our veggies. And we're going to repeat the process and just continue to chop this down as well. All right, just about got that all chopped up nicely. And I kind of actually just figured this recipe out on a whim. I had some leftover salmon and salad stuff, and it's wanted to wrap, and this is what we came up with. All right, so now that that's all chopped up nicely, we're going to go ahead and add in some of our Italian dressing. Now you can add as much or as little as you like. I added probably 3 or 4 tablespoons there, and then we're going to add in our salmon. Now, the salmon goes quite a long way with this. You'll see once we start chopping it up, it goes quite a long way. And I'm using smoked salmon. It's going to add a lot more of a boost of flavor, but you do not have to use smoked salmon, because the first time I actually made this, I used the salmon that I made in the air fryer. So it's totally up to you. Either way, it's going to turn out great. Now, if you wanted to, you could add cheese to this as well. I don't think it's necessary. Or you could use a different type of dressing or a different dressing on top. But this way, to me, is just a lot more fresh and delicious. And there's the final product. Now, you could eat this just like it is, but we're going to make some wraps with ours. So let me show you how I set those up. All right, so for our wraps, we're actually using these carb counter small tortillas. These are actually 0 net carbs and only 20 calories per wrap or per shell. So you really are coming out with a low carb, low calorie lunch or meal here. And all you want to do is just fill up your inside with as much of the filling as you want. We're going to I'm going to top mine with some diced jalapeno. You can use sriracha, whatever else you'd like for them. And here's how they look. We're going to go ahead and put some of those diced jalapenos on there to add a little bit of a kick to them. But again, you can kind of top them however you like, but fresh is always the best way to me, so I don't like adding a lot of creaminess to them, and I'm definitely not going to add cheese to them. You could add a little sriracha or some other type of sauce, but that's it, guys. Good, delicious, and low calorie. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, God bless. We'll catch you on the next one.